Hey everyone, it's me Peter, and today I'm reviewing a couple of iPhone X cases from Ringke. I got the Flow case, which sells for $11.99, and this one is the Onyx case, which sells for $9.99. The Flow case is made of soft TPU material. It has this wavy design on the back. It's very flexible. It's transparent so you can still see the back of the iPhone. It's also lightweight and has a slim profile. To install the case, just slide one corner of the iPhone in and then push the other corners in, and there you go. The case fits like a glove on the iPhone. It feels comfortable to hold. The button still feels very responsive even though they're covered. The lip around the screen is also higher for that lay on the table protection. The camera cutout is also raised to prevent scratches. And here's a look at that wavy design on the back. The iPhone is still visible through the case, especially the Apple logo. There's also a tiny Ringke branding at the bottom corner. As for the cutouts, you can still get to the mute switch without a problem. There's also openings here so you can attach a wrist strap, which Ringke also sent me so you can securely hold your iPhone. On the other side, we have the covered side button, which still responds very well when pressed. The bottom has these precise cutouts, so you can easily access the lighting port. One last thing to mention is that the case also supports wireless charging. I cannot demonstrate it right now because I don't have my wireless charger, but I tried it at home and it works. Before I talk about the other case, I just want to show you guys the lanyard or the wrist strap. It's made with the same material as the parachute cord, and it has this adjustment to fit your wrist properly. It comes in multiple colors and patterns, and Ringke sells them separately for $11.99. This will definitely keep your iPhone safe and handy. Now let's take a look at the Onyx iPhone X case. This case is made of flexible TPU material, so it's very resilient. It also features a shock-absorbing bumper for drop and bump protection. The back features this carbon fiber design at the bottom and the top. They're textured, so it adds to the grip. The middle has this brushed steel finish. The design looks really amazing and I really like this a lot. There's also a tiny Ringke branding on the back of the case. The inside is just a smooth matte finish. The case is very easy to install. Simply put one side of the iPhone in and then push the other sides in, and that's it. The case feels comfortable to grip. The case is also really slim and lightweight. The case features a raised lip on the front to prevent scratches on the screen when laying it face down. There's also a lifted bezel on the back to protect the camera when laying the phone on its back. Here's another look at that slick design on the back. It's definitely one of the best looking case for the iPhone X that I've tried so far. The volume and side buttons are covered, but they are still very responsive when pressed. The mute switch is still very accessible through the cutout. And here are the openings for that wristband. At the bottom, there are 3 cutouts to expose the speaker and the lightning port. And just like the Flow case, wireless charging is also supported. Overall, these are great looking cases. They're slim and lightweight. They feel comfortable in the hand, as well as offer sufficient amount of protection to the iPhone X. You cannot really go wrong with either case. So that's it for my review of the Ringke Flow and Onyx cases for the iPhone X. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.